Hi guys, today we are going to do Thai stir-fried beef with vegetable. It's a simple recipe that is quick and easy to make. It's not spicy, yet still captures the blend of taste that makes Thai food so great. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. You can cook this dish in minutes once the marinating is done. It's really easy for beginners and without much spice, which make it great for you if you are starting to experiment with Thai food. Tasty and different is a dish that I cook often. Let's go cooking!
Let's learn how we make it. Brown sugar, Chinese wine, black soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, mushroom,
Stop.
cooking oil, cornstarch, onion, spring onion. I got two here. I got one packet. Two different kinds of pepper, red, orange, and I got ears. Lime beef, sesame oil, cornstarch, oyster sauce,
Baking soda.
baking soda, brown sugar, white pepper.
Let's slice the beef. For this dish, we need to slice very thin to let the salt absorb to the beef. When you slice it, you lay the knife like that. So this time I use the sirloin steak with quite tender.
Can I help you do the marinade?
Sure. We're gonna put in first baking soda. Put all, wow.
Yes!
And then,
Mix it up. Mix it up! Now time to mix up!
you want a glove?
No.
Give the beef a little bit of massage to let baking soda works. Okay. Next one's got to be oyster sauce.
I'm just gonna pour it in, right?
Yeah, just put it in.
Yeah.
And then
Ow!
sesame oil,
Pour it.
brown sugar,
Everything in.
yeah,
Yeah.
white pepper,
Yeah. Yeah! Get them all in.
and then last one is cornstarch.
Pour it.
So next is we will leave in the fridge for at least
5 hours.
15 to 20 minutes. But if you have time, you can leave it overnight. The beef will absorb to the marinade sauce very well, and your beef will be so yummy. Let's chop all the vegetables up and get ready for stir fry. I need half of onion, for this stir fry, we don't chop it too thin, you know. This is how you cut pepper without touching the seed inside. You can leave the stem on, but I should not to. I cut in half just to get more texture from the mushroom. Spring onion. We don't want the white bit. We only want this bit. the green part. Throw that away. Cut about this long, chop about this long. Let's cook Thai stir-fry beef with vegetable. First of all, gonna turn the heat on. Powdered garlic. Once the garlic get a bit crispy, I will add beef. Marinate beef. Turn the heat down to medium. I will prepare stir-fry sauce, brown sugar, Chinese wine, oyster sauce, black sweet soy sauce, cornstarch. I will mix with stock. Then we're browning the beef off at the moment. Add the stir-fry sauce. And I need some more water to get some sauce left in the bowl. Cornstarch and chicken stock. Once you're happy with the taste, then you add vegetable and stir fry for about a couple minutes. We don't want vegetable to get overcooked. A little bit of water to make it less thick. Then add spring onion last. And that's it. Thai stir-fry beef with vegetable is already done. And I will serve it up.